Hey guys, so today we're gonna go over this question. So if two friends are competing in a game where they must press a button the moment the alarm sounds, whoever press first win. So we have two friends, their reaction time is distributed as exponential distribution, each with their own lambda I. Okay, it is known that the minimum of x1 and x2, the first to respond, is also exponentially distributed. We're gonna also prove this in the section 2. Okay, so first compute the distribution of the winning participant. So we know this is a race between two exponential distribution variables. So we just do the probability for the first one to win, it's lambda 1 divided by lambda 1 plus lambda 2. Okay, so this is the probability for the first one to win. The probability for the second one to win, it just will be lambda 2 divided by lambda 1 plus lambda 2. Okay, so for the second question, show that the time between the alarm and the first response is exponentially distributed with this parameter. So we're going to look at the probability that either one of them happens before t. Okay, so the probability that t is less than x, that x1 is bigger than t, it's supposed to be different, I'm sorry, that x1 is less than t, and x2 is less than t. Okay, both of them can happen. And here we look at the reverse, so 1 minus, both of them happen after t. Okay, so this is the reverse. And then what we can see here, I just put the probabilities inside. So this is the probability for the variable x1 to be longer than t, which is this. And this is the probability of x2 being longer than t, which is this, the same. Okay, so we just put everything inside. And what we get is the same as being distributed with lambda 1 plus lambda 2. So I just put the variables inside. And now they are asking us, now assume that the game is played with n participants, each with a different rate of lambda I. Calculate the probability that participant 1 wins. Okay, so how do we do it? We know from the first section that the probability of winning is lambda 1 divided by lambda 1 plus lambda 2. And now it's easy, it's binomial distribution with n experiment. Lambda 1 divided by lambda 1 plus lambda 2. This is the probability, so the variance is NQP, which is the probability of winning, probability of losing, and the amount of trials. So this will be the variance. So hope you like this video. Please share this video for more people to see it. And until next time, I'm out.